Begin with the latest with the vaccinations happening here in the Carolinas this weekend and into next. There will be several vaccine clinics spread across our area giving shots to people in groups 1 through 3, and that includes some of the biggest venues being used in the Queen City. WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner is joining us from Spectrum Center in Uptown. And Chloe, we're hearing Novant Health at that location will be giving out that single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Novant Health already had a second dose clinic planned here for this weekend, but because of those extra Johnson & Johnson doses that they got from the Mecklenburg County Health Department, they'll be able to get even more people fully vaccinated. A score for thousands of people hoping for protection from the coronavirus. Saturday, the home of the Hornets will transform into a vaccine clinic again. This time, they'll be able to give the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
We're able to really double the amount of people who will be able to be fully vaccinated from that event. So we're going to add in, on top of our second dose that we saw 3 weeks ago, we'll add in another 2,000 appointments.
They'll focus on getting those to CMS employees. The single shot will be key in getting more people vaccinated faster. Good news, as frontline essential workers in Group 3 can now roll up their sleeves.
I have a business called Subtle Impressions, and we are a critical business, essential. So as soon as that came out over the weekend, I found a way to get into this website for DHS in Gaston County. And I set up my appointment yesterday, and here I am today.
Gaston County held its first clinic at the Eastridge Mall today. This weekend, Cleveland County will vaccinate people in groups 1 through 3, and Rowan County will give out second doses. And with plans to move into Group 4 on March 24th, more places, including Walgreens and Harris Teeter pharmacies, are offering appointments.
We were fortunate enough to be able to keep our doors open via quarantine. We understand that not everyone had that opportunity, and that's why it's so important that we give back and make sure that we're able to help these communities safely reopen.
Atrium Health will also have another mass vaccination clinic for frontline essential workers next week. We'll have more on that coming up at 5. In Uptown, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
Thank you, Chloe. And starting Monday, the Salisbury VA healthcare system will start giving out Johnson & Johnson's one-dose COVID vaccine. It will offer it to patients at the Kernsville Healthcare Center and Charlotte community-based outpatient clinic. As of today, Salisbury VA has provided Pfizer and Moderna vaccine first doses to more than 17,000 veterans and employees, and both doses to more than 9,000 of these individuals. We have another reminder for you. South Carolina will start vaccinating people in Group 1B on Monday. So that includes anyone 55 and older, frontline workers, teachers, and people with high-risk medical conditions as part of that group. If you have any questions about where to go to get vaccinated in your county, be sure to reach out to us. Text the word vaccine to 704-329-3600, and we will respond to you with some helpful links.
Just into our newsroom, Mooresville High School has announced it is canceling its senior prom. It posted a statement on their Facebook page saying because of social distance requirements and capacity limitations, it's just not a viable option. Friday night football is back for school districts that had to reschedule the fall season because of coronavirus. And now, thanks to Governor Cooper's executive order, fans will be allowed at the games. WCNC Charlotte's Kendall Morris has more from Myers Park in Charlotte.
It's an exciting day here at Myers Park High School. These stands will see more fans in this stadium than it has seen in almost a year. The team is expecting a sellout of its 500 allotted tickets. There's 300 for the home side, 200 for the visiting side. Now, they are taking COVID-19 safety protocols seriously. They have red boxes on the bleachers to be able to socially distance all the fans in these stands, as well as safety protocol when people enter the stadium tonight. We'll tell you what this means for the team coming up at 5. In Myers Park, Kendall Morris, WCNC Charlotte.